Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I brought you a brand new airdrop called Huddle 01. The joining process of this airdrop is very easy, and here I'll show you step-by-step way to join. Before that, let's talk a bit about Huddle. Actually, it's a testnet airdrop and we need to do some tasks to participate in this airdrop. So as you can see, it's already raised around $2.80 million funding and is confirmed airdrop. And here, as you can see, some tier 1, tier 2 investors backing them. So we can expect a decent amount of profit. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they already have 118k followers and they are very active here. And as you can see, they've shared lots of details. So here we got up to $10 million HUDL token from participate this. If you want the latest update related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join this airdrop, you need to land on this page. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So first, you need to click here, then connect your wallet here. I'll connect MetaMask wallet, then click connect, then sign in, then confirm. So wallet is connected. Now follow the X account and click authorize and done. Now click join Discord. Click accept invite. Now click here. Click complete and accept the terms and click submit. Now click verify and solve the captcha and click submit. Now click here, verify colorblind. Click let's go. And click connect wallet. Click visit site. Now it redirect to another site. Here you also need to connect your same MetaMask wallet. So select MetaMask, connect and sign in and then confirm. So the wallet is now connected. So go back to Discord and click here, add Ethereum address. So copy the address from MetaMask wallet and paste it here. Now click submit. And click verify. So here some technical problem show, but I'll do it later. So go back to the airdrop page and click verify Discord. Authorize and here done. Now click here, march to Huddleverse. Here as you can see, we will log in to our main task page and here click quest arena. As you can see, I've got 200 GP, so basically you need to get as much as more HP earned possible to boost your ranking. Here click claim faucet. I've already claimed, so you need to claim it. Then here as you can see, lots of tasks. You need to complete all of them to boost your points. So let's complete this one. Mint onboarding NFT. Click mint. so it requires small amount of fees. Keep in mind and click confirm. So as you can see, the NFT is minted successfully. And I've got 500 points and also boost my ranking. So let's complete second one. Click follow Huddle on Twitter. And it's done. And next, let's join their Telegram. And it's done. So similarly, you can check all and complete each task to boost your ranking. And also, as you can see, there's some Intract tasks as well you need to complete. So I'll provide the link in the description. You can check out and visit this page. So first connect your wallet. And then complete all of these tasks. So finally, you can share your referral link with friends to boost your points. And that's it for this video. I'll give all the updates over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.